Bye! Uwi na yung mga nagbakasyon. Soon, magkakaroon na ng OFW lodge. Oh no! Nagsusukli rin siya. Sasukli. Wow! Galing! Susukli siya. Oh, may coins pa. Magkano bale parking niya? Magkano ba? 22 yung bayad. Oh, galing na oh. High touch na, high touch.
Rain go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never sleeping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. Not right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow.
Ilang minuto yan, sir? 10 minutes.
Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time.
Ano yan? Magkapatong? Ah, okay. Ang bango guys, ang bango. Nandito kayo ang bango. Sarap. Amoy pa lang, masarap na. Yun.
Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Ano yan, miss? Yung Biscoff?
Biscuit spread mo.
Ah, ayan yung
Cheesecake sauce.
asan yung blueberry?
Ito yung cheesecake sauce.
May blueberry na yan?
Sauce lang to ma'am.
Wala siyang blueberry.
Meron po, I mean sauce pala po.
Ah, okay, sauce pala. Blueberry cheesecake kasi in order ko.
We'll try to feel alive.
Ayun, yung blueberry.
Get hot, so honey, if you need to cry, come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I want
Yan yung order namin. Sa atin kasi, ganyan. Sa'yo yun. Ito yung order ko. Ganyan yung juice nila, oh. Ang galing. Lychee to guys. Ang galing ng ano nila, oh. So, pag hindi mo nauubos, pwede mong i-clip na lang ulit. Tanggalin yung straw. Pag hindi siya nauubos. So, ang galing, no? First time ko nakakita ng ito. Lychee flavor.
Alam niya kasi, ano siya.
Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget the time.
Ano to blueberry cheesecake in order. Ganyan siya. Ito ang sarap din. Lychee flavor. Try nyo to. Punta kayo dito sa Puffy's sa SM Santa Rosa. Sarap nito. Lychee flavor. Kain tayo guys. Sana matry nyo din dito sa SM Santa Rosa.
Crying on my pillow. Rain, rain, go.
Masarap siya. Tapos itong lychee flavor. Mas try nyo to guys. Ang sarap ng lasa niya. So out of 10, 8/10. Ito 10/10.